Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy SPX6900 on Trust Wallet. First, download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Next, create a new wallet and ensure you securely back up your recovery phrase. This is crucial for accessing your funds. Finally, you'll need to fund your Trust Wallet with a compatible cryptocurrency like BNB to cover your purchase and any transaction fees. Once your wallet is set up and funded, open the D-App browser located within your Trust Wallet application. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. Next, search for a decentralized exchange or DEX that lists SPX6900. Popular options include PancakeSwap or Uniswap, depending on the network. Finally, connect your Trust Wallet to the chosen DEX to proceed with your transaction. Now, on the decentralized exchange, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap for SPX6900, for example, BNB. Then, enter the precise amount of SPX6900 tokens you want to purchase. Always double-check the displayed price, slippage tolerance, and any associated fees before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the transaction within your Trust Wallet to initiate the swap. After the transaction is complete, navigate back to your Trust Wallet's main screen. You should now see your newly acquired SPX6900 tokens listed among your assets. It's always a good practice to enable any additional security features offered by Trust Wallet, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your investments. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.